Hi everyone, my name is CA Nikita Punjabi and welcome to my channel. Over the years, I've worked with so many startups, freelancers, and growing businesses, only to realize that the landscape of businesses has changed a lot from when I started my practice in 2017. I have seen that over the years, the role of CAs is also changing. We are in 2025. Now, nobody really expects a CA to, come up with files, or it's not just about filing tax returns and, completing statutory compliances. The role of CAs, or the role of modern CAs, has really changed in today's world. Let's begin and talk about what was the role before this and how is it actually changing. So before this, I was as a CA just expected to file tax returns, ensure all the compliances throughout the year, and handle all the notices and everything that was related to my work. And also, as far as accounting was concerned, just handle all the accounting and ensure that it was completed on time. But now, as a modern CA, clients need real-time financial visibility. They need reports, data, automated workflows where they can communicate with their customers and vendors even better. They need us to help them improve their internal processes so that they waste less time on activities that can be completed or that can be achieved by using technology. They need dashboards that can actually help them take better financial decisions. They need tools that can help them work faster. So it's not just about me filing tax returns for them anymore. It's about giving them an overall financial perspective of their business, helping them in determining their cash flows, helping them in automating their workflows, helping them take better decisions for their business. So, what are the tools that a modern CA would generally use? One, Zoho Books. It's a cloud accounting solution, can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, can set up a lot of automated workflows and better internal control systems. So clients prefer to have more access to their data at any place and any time. They also prefer using tools like Razorpay or Zoho Pay. Now, this ensures that their payments are automated and links can be sent directly to the clients for payments. We also prefer to use tools like Google Workspace, where you can communicate better, or Zoho Click, where you can communicate within your team. Also tools like Notion, where you can keep a track of the open projects and overall visibility of where the project is and what are the next steps to be followed. Zoho Payroll, great HR to handle their payroll effectively. Or even WhatsApp Business, just to ensure that they're communicating better with their customers. So these are some of the examples of the tools. Some other tools that you might talk about that businesses can directly use is Canva for a lot of marketing that they can do. From a finance perspective as well, Canva can be used where you're required to give MIS and reports and dashboards. You can prepare these MISs and dashboards and custom reports using Canva. Of course, it's the best when you use a version of Zoho Books and Zoho Analytics together to prepare these MIS reports and dashboards. But you can also use Canva where you want to give good presentations as well. So these are some of the tools that a modern CA will use. As a modern CA, we also might have to step in sometimes as a virtual CFO, meaning we're helping clients take decisions, better investment decisions, better hiring decisions. Based on their cash flows, what are the decisions that they can take? Giving them better financial visibility, preparing MIS for the client. So there is data that is available at the click of a button, and this data is absolutely real time, updated. If they want to monitor branch-wise profitability or team-wise or project-wise profitability, all of this can be helped. A modern CA or the tools that a modern CA uses will help achieve all of this. You can track branch-wise profitability, team-wise, project-wise, or whatever it is that you want, any cost center-wise. So you need your CA to guide you with numbers that would actually mean something. Now, how do we actually achieve this? So no more it is about, visiting your clients daily or weekly or monthly to find out where they are, what they're doing. I can sit in any part of the world and help clients. The client could be in Dubai, in San Francisco, or in Mumbai. It doesn't matter where you are. I have also had clients where I've never met them till date, but we've been helping them achieve all of this, all through using the tools that I mentioned in this video. So businesses are run from laptops, phones, and tablets, and not necessarily by physical appearances anymore. This is also what a modern CA should consider. Since we collaborate online, it ensures real time work, no wasting time on a lot of physical paperwork, but communicating and taking real time actions with the clients. So, if you're a business owner, don't settle with outdated systems. Expect more from your CA. Expect them to help you with tools that will bring meaning to your entire business so that you can take the best decisions and so that the CA can also help you take these decisions in the best possible manner as far as numbers are concerned. If you're a CA watching this, let's learn and step up together so that we can serve our clients better. Stay tuned to my channel for more such insights, and if you have any questions on the tools that I mentioned, please ask in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is CA Nikita Punjabi, and I will see you in the next video.